So ProCapture is a new invention that Alliance Laundry with Unimac did, and as well as on our Speed Queen side on the Vend. Instead of just using a lint screen on a dryer, in the air passing through and the lint screen capturing a portion of the lint that goes out, and the rest gets vented. A lot of our on-premise laundries, such as hotels, nursing homes, etc., so they may have to put in a secondary lint containment system, a lint collector, before then it gets passed through and then out to the outside. Well, I think all of us have been to let's say a hotel, and we walk in or walking by somewhere and it looks like it's snow and Christmas, right? You know where that lint is being dumped out of, outside that vent that comes from the dryer, and you'll see lint pockets down. Maybe it's on their bushes, maybe it's on a roof, maybe it's getting into their HVAC unit, which causes the extra maintenance. But lint isn't getting captured in the dryers at a very high rate. It does capture some, but there's a lot that goes by. ProCapture is a cyclonic air system. So like a Dyson, where it's a cyclonic and it captures all that lint. So they have adapted that concept into the dryers, and it uses a cyclonic airflow and it captures all the lint. So we don't need a secondary lint collector. So you're able to put that in. That's an upgraded feature now on the dryers, that you can capture all that lint, and you don't have to worry about it getting into the vent. You don't have to worry about it getting outside of your building. You don't have to worry about it being vented up on the roof with your AC units and causing additional maintenance. So it's a kind of a revolutionary idea of how to keep the lint in the machine itself and not let it escape, and causing all these other maintenance issues.